Hi and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be fitting a front anti-roll bar drop link to Project Greenie. So with the wheel off we can now see the anti-roll bar link. So on with replacing the anti-roll bar drop link. So here's the anti-roll bar, it's mounted at the bottom here and on the top. Now if you've got an electric gun like I have, then it will make life easier, but for the purpose of the video I'll do it the hard way and show you how to remove it using a spanner and, well, two spanners basically. So the tools we're going to need are a 16mm spanner for there and a 7mm spanner for there. So that is just cracked off, and we just then slowly remove it. So that's off. Put the nut to one side. On this one there isn't a flat. Sometimes on cars there's a flat that you could put a spanner on to counter hold it, but this one hasn't got one. So let's go down onto the bottom and undo that. Remembering the rule, guys, of lefty loosey, righty tighty. So that should be the nut slackened off. And what I'll do on this one, I'll just put the 7mm spanner on it again. Okay, so we've got the nut completely undone now. Take it off with my fingers. That's the nut, and that's the anti-roll bar link taken off. So there's the old anti-roll bar drop link, there's the new one. Measured it up for size, both look the same size. These are just cheapy ones off eBay, guys. I think I paid about £12 for both of them. Again, on this one there's no slot, but there looks to be an Allen key fitment in there. So when we tighten it up I'll show you how to do that. So let's get it fitted. There we go. And then we'll just thread the nut on. That's that started. And on the bottom, which you probably can't see in the video now. Okay, so I found an Allen key. It's a 5mm Allen key, and the nylock nut, which is a self-locking nut, is a 17mm on this occasion. So I'll put the 17mm spanner on and we'll just tighten away, making sure I go the right way, obviously. Nice and secure. So that has just started to turn. A tweak with the spanner, that's nice and tight. Okay, so let's do the bottom one now. And again, all nice and tight.